That's Reddy Ranger, decked out in his cute new dog suit. Come here, honey. Reddy, Red. And here he comes, the big man. There he is with that beauty. He's so pretty. That's my Red. Hey, Red, come here. Reddy. Hi, pal. Oh, you're looking good, bud. Oh, man. That's Red, my red tick hound. It must be near midnight. Could be 11 p.m., 1 a.m. I don't know. Sometime tonight we're out here. Snowstorm's coming in. We're going to take a walk out here. Have a great day. Happy holidays. All right, there we go. That's me, Roger. Happy holidays.